Welcome to video number 11 of chapter 2 series. Now from this video we are going to calculate examples. I am going to calculate each and every example. Almost few examples I am going to tell you to calculate on your own. Okay. Now the first question, that is INTEXT question number 2.1. It is not from your exercise, it is from your INTEXT question. The question is like this: calculate the mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride. If 22 grams of benzene is dissolved in 122 gram of CTC, means carbon tetrachloride, that is its short form. Okay, I have written a short form here, CTC, carbon tetrachloride. Now to solve any example, first of all you have to understand the question. So what you will do, you will read the question for 2 times slowly, then after start calculating. That is my advice to you, otherwise you will make mess. So first of all read the question very carefully, नहीं तो फिर एक्टिवा चलाओ तो रिक्शा जेવો જ અવાજ આવશે. Okay, so what you have to calculate here, calculate the mass percentage of benzene and carbon tetrachloride. બંનેનું mass percentage calculate કરવાનું કીધું છે, not any one compound. બંનેનું mass percentage calculate કરવાનું કીધું છે and બંનેના weight આપેલા છે. If 22 grams of benzene, means benzene no mass 22 grams, is dissolved in 122 gram of carbon tetrachloride. Carbon tetrachloride no mass 122. Here I have written that what is given to us in this question: mass of benzene 22 grams. Here it is given mass of carbon tetrachloride 122 grams. Okay, what we have to find out? Percentage weight by weight. Mass percentage ને શું કહેવાય? Percentage weight by weight we have to calculate for each component, benzene as well as carbon tetrachloride. Now first one, percentage weight by weight for benzene. So formula શું હતી? Weight of solute divided by total weight into 100. Benzene no mass કેટલો હતો? 22 grams. So 22 I have written here, divide by total weight 22 plus 122, બંનેનો ટોટલ જે આવે એ નીચે લખવાનું, into 100. So 22 divided by 144 into 100. So I will get 15.27%. Now percentage weight by weight of carbon tetrachloride, you have to find out that also. So to calculate that, just subtract this percentage from 100. 100 minus 15.27, you will get 84.7%. Okay, that is our first example. Easy है. So I hope you don't have any doubt in that. Now second question. INTEXT question number 2.2. INTEXT question is 2.2. What is the question? Calculate the mole fraction of benzene in solution containing 30% by mass in carbon tetrachloride. Okay, read again. Calculate the mole fraction. Calculate શું કરવાનું છે? Mole fraction of benzene. Benzene na mole fraction in solution containing 30% by mass in CTC. CTC means carbon tetrachloride. So here concentration is given to you, 30% by mass. એ શું છે? concentration by mass. મેં હમણાં જ કીધું by mass એટલે શું સમજવાનું? percentage weight by weight. by mass આ જે ટર્મ આવે તો એને તમારે સમજવું, percentage weight by weight. Okay, so to be given, what is given here? percentage weight by weight is equal to 30% benzene. Okay, that is given to you in the question. So what does this 30% means? 30% weight by weight solution means 30 gram of benzene means solute. જેટલા પરસેન્ટેજ આપેલા હોય એટલા ગ્રામ્સ લેવાના. 30 grams of benzene in 70 grams of carbon tetrachloride means solvent. Solvent આગળ કયો આપેલો? કાર્બન ટેટ્રાક્લોરાઇડ. So I have written CTC. 70 grams કઈથી આવ્યા? તો 100 માંથી 30 grams subtract કરી દેવાના. You will get 70 grams. In each and every question, if percentage weight by weight is given to you, then you have to follow this. Okay, જેટલા પરસેન્ટેજ આપેલા હોય એટલા ગ્રામ્સ સોલ્યુટ લેવાના. બાકીના 100 માંથી માઇનસ કરી જે બાકીનું વધે that is your solvent. Okay, so what we get? Weight of benzene, that is now 30 grams. Here I have written 30 grams. Molecular mass of benzene. Benzene formula શું છે? C6H6. So any molecular mass થશે 78 gram per mole. 78 gram per mole કેવી રીતના આવ્યું? So let me just show you. C6H6 એની formula છે. So carbon is 6 times 6 into 12 plus 6 into 1. 72 plus 6, 78. So 78 gram per mole any molecular mass check. Weight of carbon tetrachloride, that is 70 grams. Molecular mass of carbon tetrachloride 154 gram per mole થશે. કેવી રીતે? So એની ફોર્મ્યુલા છે કાર્બન ટેટ્રાક્લોરાઇડ ને CCl4. Formula याद रखो. Formula you will not get in your paper. Okay, carbon tetrachloride, in the name only it is given 4 times chloride ion is there. Chlorine atomic mass 35.5 multiplied by 4, add 12 in it, you will get 154 gram per mole. So what we have here, બંનેનો માસ છે, બંનેનો વેઇટ છે, બંનેનો મોલેક્યુલર માસ છે. So first of all, moles of benzene calculate કરવા માટે given mass upon molecular mass. Given mass is 30 grams here. Molecular mass we find out 78. So moles કેટલા મળશે? 0.384. Moles of carbon tetrachloride. Given mass upon molecular mass. Given mass for carbon tetrachloride is 70 grams. Divided by molecular mass we calculated 154. So 154 you will get 0.454 moles. Now to calculate mole fraction of benzene is equal to moles of benzene divided by total moles. Again, what is the formula? Mole fraction of benzene is equal to moles of benzene divided by total moles. Moles of benzene is 0.384. Here I have written total moles બંનેનું એડિશન કરવાનું. 0.384 plus 0.454. By calculating this you will get 0.458. That is your answer. Okay, so this is your second example. Now third example, INTEXT question number 2.3. In that you have two sub questions, so A and B. So I am going to calculate both here. What is A? Calculate molarity in this both. A, 30 grams of CONO3 twice into 6H2O in 4.3 liters solution. Okay, what is given here? 30 grams of this compound. આ compoundનો weight આપેલું છે. So mass of CONO3 twice into 6H2O, that is 30 grams. In volume of solution is given here, 4.3 liters of solution. So volume of solution is 4.3 liter. Okay. Now we have to calculate the molarity. So what is the formula of molarity? Molarity formula, so the molarity is equal to 1000 into weight of solute divided by molecular mass into volume. Here weight of solute is in grams, moles of molecular mass is also in grams, and volume, that is in ml. Here we have in liter form. Okay, so we are going to convert that in ml. So 1000 weight of solute આપેલો છે આપણે 30 grams એમાં કેવું molecular mass calculate કરશો. How you are going to calculate that? CO એનો atomic mass છે 59. એનો atomic mass તમને આપશે એક્ઝામમાં. You will get the atomic mass in your exam, not molecular mass. Atomic mass you will get. Then nitrogen no atomic mass 14, oxygen no 16, hydrogen no 1, oxygen no 16. So by this formula you are going to calculate the molecular mass. How? If you don't know, let me know, I'll tell you. Okay, how to calculate the molecular mass. If you don't know, tell me, message me, I will tell you personally. Now molecular mass you will get 291 into volume, that is in ml. So convert 4.3 liters into ml, you will get 4300 ml. By calculating this you will get 0.023. Please do calculate in your calci. Okay, કદાચ મારા કેલ્સીમાં ભૂલ હોય, સો તમે તમારા કેલ્સીમાં એક વખત કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરી જોજો. Question number B. What is question number B now? 30 ml of 0.5 capital M. Capital M is means molarity. H2SO4 diluted to 500 ml. Now what do you mean by this? Already molarity આપી દીધી છે. So how will you find out the molarity? So please do understand the question properly. શું કીધું છે આગળ? એક H2SO4 નું already prepared solution છે. Suppose I am drawing here. Okay, આ એક H2SO4 નું already prepared solution છે. એની molarity છે 0.5 મોલર. ઓકે, એની નોર્મલ મોલારિટી છે આટલી. એમાંથી તમે 30 ml સબ કરી લીધું, 30 ml બહાર કાઢી લીધું. કેટલું? 30 ml. Now in this 30 ml you are adding water. આ 30 ml સપોઝ તમે એક બીકરમાં અલગ લીધું, 30 ml એની અંદર વોટર એડ કર્યો. વોટર એડ કરીને કેટલું બનાવ્યું? સો તમે ઓલમોસ્ટ એપ્રોક્સિમેટ 470 ml વોટર એડ કર્યું અને ટોટલ સોલ્યુશન બનાવ્યું 500 ml. સો આ જે નવું સોલ્યુશન બન્યું, ધ ન્યૂ સોલ્યુશન, ધ મોલારિટી ઓફ ધ ન્યૂ સોલ્યુશન યુ હેવ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ. ઓકે, નાઉ યુ અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડ ધ ક્વેશ્ચન. શું કર્યું? 30 ml અલગ કાઢ્યો, એની અંદર 470 ml વોટર એડ કર્યો. જે નવું સોલ્યુશન બન્યું એનું તમારે મોલારિટી કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરવાની છે. નાઉ ટુ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ ધેટ, what we have in the question, molarity of main solution, that is 0.5 ml, capital M, volume of main solution, that is 30 ml. સબ કેટલું કર્યું આપણે? 30 ml. Volume of new solution, that is 500 ml. Okay, this much values we have in the question. Now to calculate that, 0.5 molar solution means no meaning to the 0.5 m, capital M, 0.5 molar R. No meaning to the 1000 ml solution contains 0.5 moles of solute. Again, એનો મિનિંગ જ શું છે, ડેફિનેશન જ એની એવી છે, 1000 ml સોલ્યુશન કન્ટેન્સ 0.5 મોલ્સ. જેટલા કેપિટલ એમ આપેલા હોય એટલા મોલ્સ લઈ લેવાના. 1000 mlની અંદર જ 1000 ml જ લેવાનું, એ વેલ્યુ ચેન્જ નહીં થાય. જેટલા મોલ્સ આપેલા હોય, જેટલા મોલર આપેલા હોય એટલા મોલ્સ લઈ લેવાના. ઓકે, નાઉ this value is in 1000 ml. We have only 30 ml. So 30 ml solution contains how much moles? So by cross multiplication we get this 30 into 0.5 divided by 1000. આ કેલ્ક્યુલેશન કરશો શું મળશે, 0.015 moles. So in 30 ml we have this much amount of moles. Now what is the second formula for molarity? Molarity is equal to moles divided by volume in liter. Okay, moles divided by volume in liter. Moles we have here 0.015 moles. Now we have volume 500 ml here. To convert that in liter, 500 ml means half liter, 0.5 liter. So I have written 0.5 liter here. So by calculating this you will get 0.03 capital M molar. Okay. So this is the third example. Now fourth example. Calculate the mass of urea required to make 2.5 kg of 0.25 molar aqueous solution. Again, what is the question? We want to make a solution of urea. A solution નો total weight કેટલું થવું જોઈએ, 2.5 kg, અને એનું કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન કેટલું થવું જોઈએ, 0.25 મોલર. ઓકે, આટલું એનું કોન્સન્ટ્રેશન થવું જોઈએ અને ટોટલ સોલ્યુશનનું વેઇટ 2.5 kg થવું જોઈએ. સોલ્યુશન શાનું બનાવવું છે, યુરિયા પ્લસ વોટર, એ બંનેનું મિક્સ કરીને સોલ્યુશન બનાવવાનું છે. તો હિયર આઈ હેવ રિટન ટુ બી ગિવન what is the concentration, 0.25 molar solution. What is the weight of solution, 2.5 kg solution. Now 0.25 molar solution means પહેલામાં શું હતું, 0.5 મોલર હતું, અહીંયા કરી મોલર લ છે કે બંનેમાં ડિફરન્સ ખાલી એલ અને આરનો છે. 0.25 મોલર સોલ્યુશન મીન્સ 1000 grams water contains 0.25 moles of urea. પહેલામાં શું હતું, એના આગળના એક્ઝામ્પલમાં અહીંયા આગળ 1000 ml હતું. In molar you have 1000 grams water contains, જેટલા મોલર આપેલા હોય એટલા મોલ્સ લઈ લેવાના. 0.25 મોલર આપેલા છે, 0.25 moles of urea. ઓકે, so here I have written again the same term, 1000 gram water that contains 0.25 moles of urea. Equation number 1 આપી દીધું. Now formula for urea is NH2CO NH2. Again formula you have to remember, you will not get that in your paper. Formula નહીં આપે, atomic mass આપશે. Atomic mass of nitrogen, that is 14. Atomic mass of hydrogen, that is 1. Atomic mass of carbon, that is 12. Oxygen 16. Nitrogen again 14. Hydrogen 1. Okay, so 100 grams of water, 0.25 moles of urea. Now we know the formula for moles. Moles is equal to given mass upon molecular mass. Moles આપણને કેટલા છે, આગળ 0.25. So 0.25 is equal to given mass upon, આના ઉપરથી એનો મોલેક્યુલર માસ કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરશો તો એ આવશે 60 grams per mole. Now given mass you will get 15 grams. So instead of this 0.25 moles I can write 15 grams. મેં એની એ જ ટર્મ લખી છે, ખાલી મેં શું લખ્યું 0.25 મોલ્સ, એની જગ્યાએ 15 ગ્રામ્સ. સો 100 grams of water means 15 in that we have 15 grams of urea. આસાનું વેટ છે 100 grams of pure water, 15 grams of urea, pure urea. So I can say that to make 2.5 molar 0.25 molar solution, we have 1000 plus 15 grams of solution. In that 15 grams of urea is there. આટલું ટોટલ, આ બંનેનો ટોટલ લેવાનો, 1000 grams plus 15 grams બંનેનો ટોટલ. એટલા ગ્રામ સોલ્યુશનની અંદર 15 ગ્રામ યુરિયા છે, 15 ગ્રામ્સ યુરિયા છે. આ બંનેનું ટોટલ કેટલું થશે? 1015 grams. So how much we want to make? We want to make 2.5 kg. That means 2500 gram. 2500 ગ્રામની અંદર યુરિયા કેટલો જોઈએ? So by cross multiplying it, 2500, sorry here I have written one more extra 0, 2500 into 15 divided by 1000 plus 15. So you will get 2500 into 15 divided by 1015. By calculating this you will get 36.95. It is almost 37 grams of urea. That is your answer. Okay. Now the last one for today, INTEXT question number 2.5. What you want to calculate? In that, calculate molarity, mole fraction of Ki. Ki, that is our solute, potassium iodide. If density of 20% weight by weight aqueous solution is 1.202 gram per ml. Okay. So here what we have in the question, density આપેલી છે, density of solution that is 1.202 gram per mole. Solution નું concentration આપેલું છે, concentration of solution that is percentage weight by weight 20%. શાનું solution છે? Ki નું solution. Now atomic mass of potassium K, that is 39, atomic mass for iodine, that is 127. Okay. Now આગળ જોયું તો એમ 20% weight by weight solution means 20 grams of solute Ki in 100 માંથી ઓછા કરી દેવાના 20, કેટલા રહેશે? 80 grams of water. Again percentage weight by weight આપેલું હોય તો શું કરવાનું? જેટલા percentage આપેલા હોય એટલા percentage solute લેવાના, 100 માંથી માઇનસ કરી દેવાના છે, અને જે મળે એટલા ગ્રામ્સ શું છે? સોલ્વન્ટ. ઓકે, જેટલા percentage આપેલા હોય એટલા ગ્રામ્સ સોલ્યુટ, 100 માંથી માઇનસ કરી લો એ સોલ્વન્ટ. સો માસ ઓફ Ki, that is 20 grams, mass of water, that is 80 grams, molecular mass of Ki, that is આના ઉપરથી કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરશો. K નો એટમિક માસ મેં આપ્યું 39, I નો એટમિક માસ 127. So by addition of that 166 grams you will get molecular mass of water, that is 18 grams. Okay. So moles of Ki is equal to K1 mass upon molecular mass. K1 mass is 20, molecular mass is 166. So you will get 0.120. Moles of water you will get 80 divided by 18, 4.44 moles. Okay. બંનેના મોલ્સ મળી ગયા. Now first we want to calculate molality. So molality is equal to moles of solute divided by weight of solvent in kilogram. Okay, weight of solvent in kg. Moles of Ki કેટલા મળ્યા છે? 0.120. weight of solvent in kg. weight of solvent કેટલા છે? 80 ग्राम्स 80 ग्राम्स ने केजी में कन्वर्ट करो तो डिवाइड बाय 1000 करवा पड़े। सो डिवाइड बाय 80 डिवाइड बाय 1000 करशो 0.08 आवशे। Okay, so here I have written 0.08, so you will get 1.5 small m, that is molar. Now to calculate mole fraction in formula mole fraction is equal to moles of solute divided by total moles. Moles of solute 0.120 है, divided by total moles, you will get 0.0263. Okay. Now the last one, molarity. Now we don't have volume here. In question we don't have volume, but instead of volume we have density. Density આપેલી છે. Density ની ફોર્મ્યુલા શું है? Density of mass is equal to mass divided by volume. So density ની વેલ્યુ મૂકી 1.202 is equal to mass. ટોટલ માસ આપણને કેટલું આપેલું છે? परसेंटेज आपेला है, परसेंटेज वेट बाय वेट आपेला है। जो परसेंटेज आपेला मीन्स आप परसेंटेज के कैलकुलेट करिए 100 है। सो हियर आई हैव टेकन मास इज 100। यू वांट टू फाइंड आउट वॉल्यूम। ओके, सो आ बने वैल्यू मूकी वॉल्यूम ने वैल्यू फाइंड आउट थे जैसे एना पर वॉल्यूम मिली 100 डिवाइड बाय 1.202, यू विल गेट 83.19 ml. Okay, this is in ml. Now molarity is equal to moles divided by volume in liter. So moles के लिए Ki ना 0.120 डिवाइड बाय वॉल्यूम इन लीटर। मैं कीधुं हमणां ज ml નું लीटर में कन्वर्जन करવું है तो 1000 वडे डिवाइड करवा पड़े। सो 83.15 डिवाइड बाय 1000। बाय कैलकुलेटिंग दिस यू विल गेट 1.45 molar. Capital M means molar. Okay, so that's it for today. We have calculated 5 examples. INTEXT question number 2.1 to 2.5. Now in homework you have to calculate 2 examples from exercise. First you have to calculate that examples. ये तुम्हारा homework है. You will find out this video at any time, so you can write down at any time. I want that 2 examples first. पहला examples है so 2.4 from your exercise and 2.5. These 2 examples I want in your homework. Okay, गमे तेवा आवडे, you can try that. Okay, I don't want exact answers, I want you to try that. Okay, so try that examples and send it to me. Whether it is right or wrong I will check them. Okay, then after I will send you the correct answers individually, not in group. I will not send these 2 examples in group, I will send it in individually. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you.